going over the morning procedures with a video starring Mr. Hallmann and the TV production crew.
So there are several different ways that you can get to school. So for those who may walk or ride your bike, we ask that you enter through the bus loop. Now, it is definitely highly emphasized that when you come on campus, use the designated bike area, but ensure that you lock your bike. So in the mornings, if you are a car rider, you are to be dropped off in the front of the school, and your parent or whoever's dropping you off needs to make sure they join the car rider line. As you can see, our friend Misconduct has arrived on campus way too early, and there are not any adults on hand to supervise. Our friend Brainy Jane is dropped off on the car ramp at 9:05 and walks directly onto campus with the rest of her peers. That's a gold star for Jane. Alright, so lastly we have our bus riders. If you're a bus rider, we ask that you also enter through the bus loop. Now, we ask once you arrive on campus, please either go directly to the Red Apple for breakfast or to your holding area. Jane and her friends take a moment to catch up as they arrive at their waiting area. Nice work, ladies. However, Misconduct is once again up to no good. Instead of getting breakfast, she's crashing out on the patio. In addition to a discipline consequence, she'll most likely miss out on breakfast. In the Red Apple restaurant, you'll discover several delicious menu items. Breakfast sandwiches, fruit, cereal, milk, and of course, orange juice or apple juice. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Alright Falcons, it was very easy to see who won that round because once again it was Brainy Jane. Now, before we get into that, I want to assure you that you can be winners as well. As long as you follow your school-wide procedures, get a healthy breakfast, go to class on time, and go to your waiting area. We are all winners, okay? With that being said, thank you for watching Good Idea, Bad Idea, and we will see you next time. See you later.